It is the day of our final math exam. Oh my word, I can't believe we finally gotten to this day. This is crazy. So let's go to your test 17, your last test. This is 4 pages long, front and back, so it's not too bad. All right, let's go to section 1. It says match each section by placing the correct letter in the blank. So look at those and you should be able to identify what each geometric term is. Then you can look at section 2. Those are the formulas I told you to memorize. Plug those in. Section 3, decimals. You're changing the words into decimals. Okay, so look at those carefully. You might want to draw arrows or different things so you don't repeat the same ones over and over. And then the last section is our metric terms that I told you also to be familiar with and memorize. If you have any questions, you can ask me or your parents. Well, you can ask your parents as long as you're not asking for the answer. Okay, section 2 says follow the directions. So you're going to write what number is XXII. Ooh, B and C. Remember what I told you to find the square inches in a square foot and the square feet in a square yard. How to do those for the squares. Alright, then you're going to be changing some of those numbers, reducing and writing as decimals. Section 3, this is some of the stuff that we've been doing all of this year. Really make sure you go back and check section 3. I've already checked a couple of people that have taken the exam, and they might have gone through this really quickly. I don't know, maybe they checked, but they missed a bunch in this section. So make sure that you go through it very carefully and check, alright? If you can reduce to, if you have to change an improper fraction to a mixed number or a whole number, make sure you do it, okay? If you need to cancel, make sure you cancel so they can reduce it to lowest terms, alright? Make sure you do those carefully, check those fractions. Section 4 says draw the following polygons. Section 5, solve and check, and so it should be neat. Section 6, divide and check those, but then for B, you're writing the remainder as a fraction and reduce it to lowest terms, okay? Don't forget to check those. Section 7, it says look at those fractions, and some of them need to be reduced and some of them need to be changed into a whole number or a mixed number. So you're gonna figure out what to do and do that. Section 8, find the area. So remember, how do we find area of a rectangle for A and B, and how do we find area of a square? That's why I told you to memorize those formulas. Of course, if you forget, I guess you could just peek at the front page. Section 9, find the perimeters. Same thing with these. If you can't remember, peek at the front page. But that's why you should remember them. Okay, do A, B, and C. A and C are rectangles. B is a square. Watch those carefully. Now, section 10, write the temperature. And 11, write the products. And then section 12, write those answers. Alright. Dear Lord, I pray that you would help everyone to do well on their math exam. Help them to take their time, not to stress, and to do their best. And we ask this in your name. Amen. Alright, guys. I hope you do a wonderful job. Take your time. Don't rush. And you're going to do great. And I will see you in the next video. Bye.